Hello, good day. My name is Vanch Padilla, and today we're going to discuss about community management. So there are ways to manage our community, especially on Facebook and on social media. And we will be showing and sharing with you some of the things that you need to know on how to manage your community. So the first question would be, and the points of discussion for our lesson for today or our topic for today would be, how do you manage your community and what platform do you use to manage your community? So the answer to those questions are Facebook groups. The best platform to manage your community is Facebook groups as of today, because you can grow your groups and there are times that you can monetize them. So in creating Facebook group, you're going to share content and share ideas with like-minded individuals that are interested in a similar industry or similar topic as you are. So Facebook groups is a place to communicate shared interests with certain people for anything, your social media strategy, your social media blogs, and marketing. There are types of Facebook groups, and one of those types is a closed Facebook group. So this type of Facebook group is exclusive. It's either for business, it's either a mission group, or anything that is private. Only those who have been invited to the group can see the content and information shared within it. So examples of this are, for example, there are groups that are exclusive for social media marketers. There are exclusive groups that are monetized or being paid because the content that is shared in the group is for subscription only or by invite only. And these are really closed groups, and only those who are invited or who have access or who have been added by the administrators of the group can see what is going on in the group, what content is being shared, and what exclusive topics are being discussed or participating in the discussions or conversations within the group. Okay, there is also a secret Facebook group. Nobody on Facebook can see a secret group other than those in the group. It will not appear anywhere on your profile, and only those within the group can see who the members are and what is posted. So the distinction between a closed group and a secret Facebook group is that in a closed group, the group can be seen on the internet, and the contents are exclusive for the members only. But in a secret group, it will not appear on your profile that you are a member of that particular secret Facebook group. And only those within the group can see who the members are and what is posted. Meaning, it is really confidential for those who are members of the particular group. So examples of secret Facebook groups are those that are sharing code secrets, or for sharing open source codes, and sharing a particular content that is very confidential or exclusive. And usually these are usually peer-to-peer content that is being shared. Or if somebody has a project and then they need to include some members of the group, they can create a secret Facebook group. Okay. Public Facebook groups. Anyone can search, anyone can join, and anyone can post. Still, only members of the group have the ability to post within it. So if you are not a member of a public Facebook group, and if you are not added by the administrator or the moderators, you still cannot post. But anyone from the internet, anyone on the internet can search you, can search the group, can join the group and can post within the group provided that you are already a member of the particular group. So there are a lot of Facebook groups on the internet, and most of the groups that wanted to increase membership would go public. So examples of a public group are those that are political, that they wanted to gather all their political allies or the people who are in favor of a certain politician, and those who are brand groups. For example, one of the best examples is the Milk Tea Owners of the Philippines, or the Filipino Bloggers Facebook group. So those are examples of a public Facebook group. So having known all these Facebook groups or communities that you can create within Facebook, now you can decide which particular or what particular category are you going to start or develop or build. So you have to answer questions such as, do members need to be approved before they can join? Can members post, or can admins only post? Or do a member's post need to be approved? And what is allowed and what is not allowed in the group? Will there be moderation in the group, or will there be sanctions if ever some member have posted or violated the rules in the group? So these are the things that we need to decide on before we can create a group within Facebook. Okay. So the next thing that we need to know about community management is how to create a Facebook group. Now that we know the kinds of the Facebook group, and now we go to the actual creation. So if you are going to check your or explore your Facebook account, you can see that there are icons for pages, for groups, for events, fundraiser, and buy and sell campaigns. This is usually on the left side of your account, wherein you can create things that are similar that Facebook allows. So when you hover over the Explore tab, you can either choose which one you wanted to create. So for this particular lesson, you will be creating your Facebook group. So choose your name and privacy settings, and to start, click on group under the create section at the bottom of the left side on Facebook. And you can also find the same option under the drop down menu in the upper right corner of any Facebook page, because if you are managing a page, of course they will you can see, or you can actually see the discover tab and then click create group. So fill out the basic information in the tab or in the page. Choose a name for your Facebook group. You can change this later if you need to change it. Enter the names of friends you want to add or email addresses of the people that you want to invite to your Facebook group. And, well, you have to add or invite at least one person, because you cannot create a group by yourself, or if the member of the group is only yourself. You need to put in people or invite people to join the group. And select the privacy setting of your Facebook group. For example, if you want it to be public, if you want it to be closed, or if you want it as a secret group. Okay, fill out your Facebook group's information. Head over to your group settings by clicking on the three dot button below your cover photo, and then choose edit group settings. And after that, link your Facebook group to your Facebook page so that it will be easier to cross-post or to share content with on the two communities or on the two assets. So on the click the groups on the left sidebar of Facebook, and then create your rules. If you need to create rules for your group, for example, you need to moderate what particular content or what particular posts are not allowed, you can create your own rules. So from your newsfeed, click groups on the left menu and select your group. In the left menu, click moderate group and then create rules or select create rules. Click get started or create rule. Then click write your own rule and add a title and description to your rule. And then after finishing filling up those things, you can click the confirm button. Okay. So after clicking the confirm button, okay, so after creating the confirm button, your group is now created. You can customize your group, you can add more people, or you can invite people to join the group, and then you can start posting your content. So the best contents that are shared on groups, so that you need to get people's attention, no? So you can get more people attention and more people joining in your group, and you can grow your community, are valuable contents that your community needs. So what are their needs? What does your community need? What are their problems? Discuss their buyer's persona and go to each one of those stages and solve the problems of other people through your skill and knowledge or wisdom, and share strategies so that people can learn from your group, they can consume your content, and they see the value within the group. So that is how you grow your community and manage your community on Facebook and other social media platforms. So that is our lesson 9, community management. Again, my name is Vanch Padilla, and thank you for listening. Tune in to the next lesson.